I saw this today. Earthquakes in the last 7 days. I thought it was a very interesting image, but something was missing. So my curiosity started investigating. This is the map of the world that virtually everybody is totally familiar with, especially in this country. It is very different, or quite different, to the map of the world that I grew up with, because countries were named differently. There were countries that didn't exist that are now existing because of breakups. There were countries that were known as behind the Iron Curtain, which was Eastern Europe. And so today we're looking at how true is this one, which made me think, is this more correct? The great battle was for Greenland. Why? Well, now this puts it all into perspective. When you look at the world this way, and then you look at the world with the earthquakes from this week with that particular perspective, with the United States and South America in the center, then doesn't it make sense that there is just the Bering Strait very clearly between the US and Russia, just a hop, skip, and away through a little tunnel. And if you look at it in a larger scope, there are underground tunnels, undersea tunnels, underground cities, oil wells on and offshore. There's now stolen water, stolen lands, lost people, lost history, lost documentation and civilizations. There are willful lies, deception, corruption, and sellouts. Treason and betrayal are words that just suddenly flash by sometimes. So where and what is truth, and where is it found? First thoughts came to mind. Perhaps the big they are boring deep, deep undersea highways worldwide to connect with the already deep, deep underground highways worldwide and the deep, deep underground cities worldwide. For all those oh so special people worldwide to be totally hidden from view. What are your thoughts? Ponder the deep, deep, deep possibilities, probabilities. Just a thought.